Take a slow breath in and gently let it out. Let this moment be your reset, your pause, your space to reconnect with yourself. Nothing else matters right now. Not the to-do list, not the expectations, not the noise of the world. Just you, your breath, and the quiet strength within you. With each inhale, feel your body soften. With each exhale, feel the tension release. You are stepping into a new moment, a new energy, a new way of showing up for yourself. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. Feel the ground beneath you, holding you, supporting you. Allow yourself to feel steady, safe, and present. Now bring your attention to the center of your chest. Imagine a warm, steady light glowing there, your inner confidence, your inner power. Even when life feels uncertain, even when your path feels unclear, this light has never left you. It has only been waiting for you to return to it. With every breath, see this light grow brighter. Feel it spreading through your body, clearing away doubt, fear, and the old stories that no longer serve you. You are stronger than you give yourself credit for. You have already survived so much, learned so much, grown so much. Silently repeat to yourself, I am capable. I am worthy. I am confident in who I am becoming. Let these words sink into your mind, into your heart, into every part of you that needs reassurance. Confidence is not about being perfect. It is about trusting yourself even when you don't have all the answers. It is about taking the next step, even if it feels small. Imagine yourself stepping into your day with this inner strength guiding you. Picture yourself speaking with calm clarity, walking with certainty, and choosing actions that align with your values and goals. See yourself meeting challenges with grace, believing in your ability to figure things out. Feel how your energy shifts when you choose to believe in yourself. Notice how your mind softens when you stop trying to control everything and instead trust your ability to respond. You are not behind. You are growing at the pace that is right for you. And every small step you take today builds the confidence you'll stand on tomorrow. Now imagine someone who believes in you deeply, whether it's a mentor, a friend, a loved one, or even a future version of yourself. See them standing beside you, offering encouragement, reminding you of your strengths. Feel their steady support as they whisper, "You've got this. Keep going. I'm proud of you." Let their belief amplify your own. Notice the light in your chest growing stronger, expanding through your mind, your body, and your entire presence. This is your confidence awakening. This is the real you, the one who knows your worth, your abilities, and your potential. Let this confidence settle into your heart and anchor you from within. As you prepare to step into your day, carry this belief with you. You are capable of handling whatever comes your way. You are allowed to take up space. You are allowed to grow, to try, to make mistakes, and to rise again with even more clarity. Take one final slow breath in and gently exhale. You are ready. You are grounded. You are confident. And you are stepping forward with a positive, open heart.